Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make image moving in CapCut mobile application. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have prepared my project in my CapCut application, and as you can see guys that I have overlaid this video with an image from my gallery, and I'm going to add movement to this image. For example, I'm going to make this very like flying. I'm going to add movement to this fairy. For the first position, I'm going to start it right here, and for the end position, I'm just going to make this fairy disappear. Okay, let's do that together. If you want to do that, we can use the keyframe feature to add movement. This is the keyframe button we can use to add movement. You just need to click on this keyframe button, and then you can add movement like this. You can do it one by one, and you don't need to click on the keyframe button again because it will be added automatically to your photo. Okay, like this guys. And for the end position, I'm going to make it disappear. Okay, and it's done, and let's see the final result. Alright, and this is the result guys. As you can see that the image is moving. Alright guys, and that's how we can make image moving in CapCut Mobile. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.